Before you book your next flight or vacation package online, you've probably come across Bravofly.com and asked yourself, is this a legit platform or just another travel scam? With so many online travel agencies out there, it's easy to get pulled in by flashy prices and fast booking promises, but not all that glitters is gold. Bravofly is part of the lastminute.com group, a major travel company based in Switzerland that operates in over 40 countries. On the surface, this adds a layer of trust. It's not some random website that popped up overnight. The platform has been around since 2005, offers apps on both the App Store and Google Play, and claims to provide phone and email customer support. Some users have had smooth experiences, flights booked easily, tickets delivered on time, and friendly agents who helped resolve minor issues. That said, there's another side to Bravofly's story that potential customers absolutely need to consider. A significant number of users report surprise charges, hidden fees for luggage, currency conversions, or upgrades that weren't clearly disclosed upfront. Often, the final price you pay ends up being much higher than what was first shown. There are also complaints about receiving incorrect or invalid PNR numbers, which makes checking in or managing your booking a headache. Refund issues are one of the biggest sore points. Some people say they waited weeks or even months for their money, while others never saw a refund at all. Customer support, though available, is often described as slow, hard to reach, or unhelpful when problems escalate. In some cases, users have had their tickets canceled without proper notice, leaving them stranded or forced to rebook at the last minute, sometimes at their own expense. So, is Bravofly a scam? Technically, no, it's a functioning travel service backed by a real company. But does it offer a reliable and transparent customer experience every time? That's where things get murky. If you're considering Bravofly, know what you're getting into. While some travelers get what they pay for without issues, others end up stressed, overcharged, and disappointed. In the end, it's not a clear-cut yes or no. It depends on your luck, timing, and tolerance for risk.